Hello everyone, I'm Ren Jing, or you all may refer me to as RJ, and I'm one of the 2020 graduates of Prime, and today I'm very glad that my school has given me this opportunity to share my experience and thoughts in this interview. So, first off, what are my dreams or goals in the next few years? This question has been bothering me for a while now because everybody has been asking me this, and I have come down to a conclusion that I'm gonna further my studies on something I'm passionate about. So I have chosen computer engineering as my degree, and after my studies, hopefully I can make a career out of it. Next would be my personal achievements that I'm most proud of in Prime. I have two answers to this, which is first would be achieving second place in the Gavel Club public speaking competition, and second would be to achieve straight A's in my IGCSE results. So first, because for me, public speaking has been a completely new thing for me, and I haven't been exposed to that side of the part yet. So when I gotten the announcement that I have achieved second place in the competition, I was really shocked, because to me, my expectations were to go up there, speak, come down, then I'm done with it. But getting second place is like a whole new thing for me. And I want to thank Miss Renee for giving me this opportunity to expose me to a larger platform. Next, achieving straight A's in my IGCSE results. As people around me know, and to myself, I know that throughout my student career, I've been a very mediocre student. And in my secondary life or primary life, I wasn't excelling in academics or sports. I could study, but to a certain extent. My goals was to just pass or get a B. I would be really happy already. But after getting the results, it came out a totally shock for me, because it's one of my career high results, and yeah, I would like to thank the school and my family for the support and encouragement they have given me. The family members that I would like to specifically thank would be my parents and my late grandmother. I would like to thank my parents for the effort and time they put into my education, and seeing them having a smile on their face after hearing my results really made me happy. And also my late grandmother. Although she passed away a few months before my exams, but among the family members, I would say I'm the closest with her, and I know she would always be worrying about how I was doing in school. But finally, after achieving these results, I'm able to tell my grandmother that you wouldn't need to worry about me anymore, and I'm good for now. Next would be the most meaningful experience I had in Prime. Oh, the answer came in quick, because the most meaningful experience I had in Prime was when I took up the treasurer role during my bazaar event in 2019. The bazaar was quite a success actually. Everyone praised us for the work we have done, but for me personally, I think I did a disaster of a job. Partly because it was my first time being a treasurer and I didn't know what was the things I was supposed to do, and also I was a very irresponsible person. This affected me after the event a lot. But fortunately, I want to thank my teachers and my peers for guiding me throughout the event and teaching me on what I was supposed to do, and yeah, I would say it came out a great success. Next, the leadership experience I had in Prime. For this one, because for me, on my own personality, I would say that I'm not much of a leader role myself. I wouldn't say I could lead a team to a further success. But there was this one time when I was assigned by my teachers to lead my juniors during the charity event, and I was assigned to teach my juniors what to do and how to organize the agenda and how to interact with the orphans. And yeah, I'm glad that everything turned out great, and yeah, it really put a smile on my face after that. Next, the role model that affected me the most throughout my life, I would say, is my grandfather. My grandfather was a businessman and he passed down a lot of his knowledge on business to me. Although my grandfather dropped out of school at a very young age, but after that he still continued to learn and learn and learn. He still tried to keep up with the modern society and not let himself get left behind. He told me to read lots of books, and that's how he learned. He told me that. So I look up to my grandfather a lot because of the things he did, and he was the definition for a successful man for me. Lastly, what are the words that I would like to pass down to my juniors? This is a tough one because I wouldn't consider myself a really great role model for my juniors, but yeah, sure, I'll try. I would like to tell my juniors that having great faith in yourself is really important. Because to me personally, I think that self-confidence is a key to everything you do in life. And being certain of yourself helps you to achieve a greater success. I'm not telling you to be self-centered or be too full of yourself. You can also seek advice from your friends or your elders. But in the end of the day, the final decision still lands in your hands. And you still have to make the decisions that you think that is the right things to do, or the choices that you think that are gonna work. So yeah, being certain of yourself is a really important thing. That would be the end of the interview, and I would like to thank Prime and my teachers, Mr. Nicholas, Mr. Joel, Mr. Kent, and the teachers who taught me and helping me gain confidence throughout my studies. Thank you.
Tell me, ladies and gentlemen, how did you feel when the MC first read out my title? If I ruled the world. How immature, arrogant, surreal. Grow up, RJ. No, ladies and gents, this is what the world needs right now.